girl. I had graduated, I had traveled, lived in Malaysia for a year. I was living life. I was thinking about going to law school. I was having fun, and bam, I was having too much fun. And so I got pregnant. I was devastated. Oh my goodness, I was devastated.
My first child that I had during my time at Step by Step is a year and a half, and my second child is almost 6 months.
Becoming pregnant was never a part of my plan. I was disappointed in myself, and I never envisioned myself as a parent. My mental state changed. I was not happy. I became extremely saddened. I lost a lot of my confidence when I discovered I was gonna have a baby, and I thought about suicide.
When I had the realization I was having a baby without my mom being here, it really floored me. I could not even get up. And I started thinking of my goals, but everything kept coming up short. I could not get past what I was going through right now.
And we find that pregnancy is a tremendous catalyst for change, a time when they start thinking about someone else and how their decisions and choices are going to impact another life. And it is a prime opportunity for us to be involved and to love them and to care for them and to walk alongside them.
I work for CHI Franciscan Health. I am a certified nurse midwife. A big part of my job is dealing with pregnancy, helping moms make healthy choices through pregnancy, and knowing that I can call and say, hey, I have a mom who's got all these strengths, but she really needs help in some areas, and knowing that they hear what I'm asking and they're able to pull together some resources for that mom, and also to be there as more of a support in a more personal way than I'm able to be. That makes me feel good. It feels like I'm working as part of a team, and that the mom is getting more of her needs met than she would without Step by Step.
One of the most critical things is the relationship we have with the clients. The fact that they'll trust us with their stories and their challenges, and for us to be willing to look at them and care for them as a person, not just as another client. And I just feel privileged to intersect their lives and be able to work with them at such a critical time of pregnancy and becoming a mom.
When Becky entered my life, I decided that I was going to trust her and trust that she was going to help me navigate through the challenges that I was experiencing.
She's one woman I trust through and through. And I cannot say that. I cannot say that about my little life that I've lived these 27 years. She gave me tools to get the journey to be comfortable. I appreciate her for making it comfortable for me and accompanying me on the journey.
When I think about the battlefield of the mind, when I think about becoming pregnant, sometimes it's getting over yourself and knowing that this particular situation or circumstance was not going to define me, in a negative way, that I had the power to choose. It wasn't a mistake. You're beautiful. You're okay. You're not alone. You're powerful. And do not give up on yourself. You have a community of strong individuals who care for you. And if you need help, we're here. If I did not get connected with Step by Step through those few months, I think I would have just lost it.
we've worked with more than 10,000 women, and we have helped them to deliver healthy babies, to embrace positive parenting, and establish a safe home. Those are the three main parts of our mission. What happens to them after that and what happens to their children is very important to us and important to me. I want to be able to take those relationships a bit further and be able to teach women how to provide for themselves and for their children, and a lot of that comes with confidence. So we have this relationship, and this to me was the next natural step.
When a young woman can come in and learn skills on how to work, relationships develop, that helps develop the whole person. When the whole person is developed, then they can go out and get significant jobs, they can go out into the work field, and they can have solid relationships, unlike which they most likely came in with.
Motherhood is the best hood you can belong to. And if you donate to it, you build that hood up so that the children that come from it can just supersede what we've been doing. That's how I see the Step by Step program, is stepping up. One thing came to mind, what I wanted for my future is happiness and stability.
To believe in myself and to go after my dreams, and thinking about what type of impact that's going to have on Noah. I can't wait to, when he's older, to share our story.
So I would encourage anybody that had a heart for giving. When you think about Step by Step and the significance of the organization and what it's doing for women and children, it's going to affect thousands of people for a better Puget Sound here to live in.
Sometimes we're not even aware of what that means to live out our best lives and to have dreams and actually follow them, because you get caught in the cycle of surviving. And that's dangerous to all of us. We're a community and we need your help to grow.